guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Arpita and this is my channel ARPITA'S grooming haul. So guys, आज मैं आप लोगों के सामने लाया हूँ एक मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल. The makeup tutorial under 150 rupees. It means the makeup products which I used for this makeup, that is all are under 150 rupees. So guys, this makeup tutorial will be very useful for you and it will be very helpful because you can also create this makeup look when you are going any or attempting any party or any occasion or any festival also. So guys, don't be late, let's get started. At first I will create the base of my face. So I will use the aloe vera gel, Patanjali aloe vera gel as a primer. So guys, I will mention its price on the description box and its total amount is 60 ml. So let's get started. I will take like this quantity, then I apply it all over my face. Then I will apply the cream as my foundation or base. This is VLCC Glam Glow CC cream. It is a tinted cream and it has a color of like foundation, so I will use this. Its price is 150 rupees. It gives a very good coverage, so I use it, and this is my one of the favorite CC cream also. It is so moisturizing cream, so you can spread it all over your face by your hand. You don't have to need any brush to apply this cream, as you can see. I will apply it also a small quantity on my neck. Because when you make up, then your neck also will get ready as your face and match the color of your face, so you have to apply it on your neck. Guys, the cream shade is warm beige and this is a awesome cream. Now I will go to apply a compact powder to setting this cream on my face. This is the compact powder of Lakme and its price is 150 rupees. You have to apply all over your face this compact powder, okay, with a good quantity. Now you have to remove your excess powder on your face with the help of brush, or you can also use this sponge, but I used a brush. I use this brush to remove excess powder from my face. This is a non-branded brush and I brought it from my local market. That 5 set of brush there was, and its price was something like 150, so per brush is 30 rupees. Like, this is a non-branded brush, so I use it for this makeup. Now I remove this product. Guys, as you can see, the base of my face is complete. Now I will draw my eyebrows with the help of this stick. This is quite small and this is from Lakme. I used it till some months, so it gets so small. So I will take a help of this mirror. This brush is from some non-branded brush and I brought it from online. Its price is also below of 150 rupees. I will also use this brush to shape of this brow. This brush is eyebrow brush, and it is also from Miss Clary eyebrow pencil. So its price is also below of 50 rupees. Its price is something like 49 rupees. So guys, as you can see, my eyebrow is completed. Now I will apply eyeshadow. but I don't have any eyeshadow under 150 rupees, so I will use my lipstick as my eyeshadow. So guys, I am used of a lipstick of Blue Heaven, so as eyeshadow. So I use my hands because I don't have any brush under 150 rupees to use to apply this eyeshadow. So I am using my hand. Now I used a brush, that also non-branded brush, and its price is under 150 rupees. It says price. So I use this brush to blending this eyeshadow. When you apply any eyeshadow, then you have to blend it very well, because a good blending of your eyeshadow gives a perfect look of your eyes. So guys, I applied my lipstick on my eyelids, you can see. Now I also applied this lipstick on my lower eye. Yeah. So guys, my eyeshadow applying is complete. Now I will apply eyeliner, and I use this Lakme eyeliner, and this is Lakme insta-liner, and its price also below of 150 rupees. I will give its price on my description box, you can check from there. I give an extension of my lower lash line of this eyeliner, so it is also complete. Now I will apply this mascara. This is ADS 3D mascara, and I brought it from my local market, and its price is also 120 rupees. And this is a waterproof mascara. This is complete. Now I will apply blush, but I don't have also a blush under 150 rupees, so I applied this lipstick on my cheeks. Guys, this lipstick is from NYB, and its price is 149, so under 150. I will blend it with my hands. So guys, you can see my cheek is complete. I mean, applying blusher. Now I will do my lips. At first I use this Vaadi lip balm to moisture my lips. Its price is 40 rupees. It is available in Nykaa. Now I apply this lip liner. This is from also ADS brand, and its price is 50 rupees. I brought it from my nearest market. Lip liner is complete. Now I apply my lipstick. This is from Aloe lipstick, and its price is 100 rupees, and in the shade of P22. This is the color orange. Now guys, I complete my all over makeup, but now I use shimmer powder to give a glossiness of my makeup. ये ड्यूक है मैक की एंड इसका प्राइस है 150 रुपीज़. एज वी नो दैट मैक की प्राइस तो 150 में नहीं हो सकता, सो ये ऑब्वियसली ड्यूक प्रोडक्ट है. सो आई यूज दिस प्रोडक्ट. By my hands also, bridge of my nose. Very small amount I will apply this product because this is a shimmer powder, so it is so glazing. So a small amount on my bridge of nose, a small amount of here, also a small amount. You can see the glaziness. I will apply it on my eyelids also, a small quantity. So it will give a good and glazy effect on my eyeball. So guys, you can see. Now I will highlight my brow area. So guys, my look is complete. This is a look under 150 rupees. Hi guys, as you can see, I complete my all over makeup within 150 rupees makeup kits. So guys, how's it is? So अगर आप लोगों को ये मेकअप वीडियो पसंद आए तो you can also apply this makeup for any makeup or any party, festival or occasion also. And please मेरा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड बेल आइकन को दबा दीजिए एंड नेवर मिस एन अपडेट ऑल्सो.